500 grams chicken, and 500 grams potato. 1 cup water. Small onion, 3 cloves garlic. One teaspoon salt. One and a quarter teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and whistle for 5 minutes. Chicken meat and bone should be separate. Mash the meat. One onion, chopped. Green coriander. Ginger. 5 to 6 green chilies chopped. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon dry coriander, crushed. Garam masala, a quarter teaspoon. 1 big size egg. Mix well. All mixture. Mix well, then make a kabab. Five to 6 teaspoons hot oil in pan and fry kabab or cutlets. After few seconds, change the side. Nice golden color, same color other side. After fry, put in plate and serve with sauce. Would you like? It's ready to eat. Super delicious. Like, share, subscribe. Kun Food Official.